Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning. How are you students? I hope you are all fine. Again we are here today for your online classes. This is 4th May 2021 and the day is Tuesday. This is your SST class, and in your SST class we are going to read the geography, and this is for class 7. Now we will open the content. Here are the content pages. On the content pages we have done the first one, chapter physical state of earth. Now we will do the second chapter. Its name is denudation. It is on the page number 15. We will open the page number 15. Here is the page number 15, chapter number 2, denudation. What is the meaning of denudation? Denudation means that a process in which the upper surface of the earth removed and the lower surface or ground surface is shown. And its factors are the weather, wind, or you can say hot water, different things. Now we will start reading denudation and its type. Denudation of earth's upper surface and the appearance of the surface of underground area is known as denudation. What is the denudation? As I told you that the denudation means earth's upper surface and the appearance of the surface of the underground. Means जो upper surface है वो ख़त्म हो जाती है और नीचे वाली जो surface नज़र आती है उसको हम denudation कहते हैं. As soon as internal factors of earth expose an area of its surface, some external factors, e.g. means like river, glaciers, wind, heat of the sun and frost start to level the surface by worn and torn process and transport the debris from its original place to a new one. This process of worn and torn on the surface and the transportation of debris is known as denudation. The term denudation or destruction is used for all those factors which turn the earth's surfaces, waste the earth materials and transfer it to some other places. The following are the three types of denudation. These are also known as the method of denudation. First one is weathering, second one is erosion, and the third one is moss wasting. Weathering. What is weathering? It is a process in which rocks are broken down and into small pieces. This process is directly or indirectly more dependent on weather condition, heat of the sun, and precipitation. Precipitation means rainfall and snow. In addition to heat and precipitation, some other factor which causes weathering are gas in atmosphere, frost, animals and plants. Following are the three types of weathering. Physical or mechanical weathering. Physical weathering mostly occurs in cold and dry areas. In dry and hot desert area, temperature increase prominently at daytime and decrease at nights. It results in the expansion of the inspection and construction of the rocks one after the other. Due to this wear and tear process start in rocks, it ultimately tears them into small fragments. It is property of water that when it freezes, it expands. When water enters in the joint cracks and holes of rocks, it freezes and expands. It results in the shattering of rocks. Even the hard volcanic rocks shattered into small fragments due to the continuous freezing and expansion of water. At high altitude, especially in high mountains regions, frost action is prominent factor of physical weathering. In these areas, on daily basis, water freezes at night and melts at daytime. In the northern area of Pakistan, frost action results in weakening of rocks. The upper surface of rock puts pressure on their lower surface when river, glaciers, and wind transfer the weight on the upper surface of earth to another place. Underground rocks appear toward upper side. Due to it, the upper surface undergoes destruction. जो हमने क्या इसमें पढ़ा है फिजिकल एंड मैकेनिकल वेदरिंग में, कि इस फिजिकल एंड मैकेनिकल वेदरिंग में सबसे जो प्रोमिनेंट है वो सबसे पहले डेजर्ट है, जहाँ पर रात के टाइम टेम्परेचर गिर जाता है लेकिन दिन में टेम्परेचर दोबारा से हाई हो जाता है. इसकी वजह से जो रॉक्स हैं वो टूट फूट का शिकार हो जाती हैं। इसके बाद उन इलाकों में जहाँ पर पानी फ्रीज़ होता है वहाँ पे पानी जो है वो क्रैक्स वगैरह में, जब पानी, आपको पता है कि जब पानी फ्रीज़ होता है तो वो एक्सपेंड हो जाता है, उसको मतलब वो बढ़ना शुरू हो जाता है। तो इसी तरह से जब वो रॉक्स में किसी होल्स में ऐड होता है तो वहाँ पे जब वो फ्रीज़ होता है और फिर उसकी वजह से वो बढ़ता है, जिसकी वजह से वो रॉक्स ज़्यादा बड़े होना शुरू हो जाते हैं और फिर दोबारा से वो टूट फूट का शिकार हो जाते हैं। नाउ केमिकल वेदरिंग। Rocks are composed of minerals. Chemical changing occur in minerals when they interact with water, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. These changes weaken the rocks, which ultimately break down. The breakage and डिस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ रॉक्स ड्यू टू केमिकल प्रोसेस इज़ नॉन एज केमिकल वेदरिंग। क्या होता है कि जो केमिकल हैं लाइक ऑक्सीजन, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड वाटर, जो केमिकल चेंजेस हैं वो इनकी वजह से अगर होती हैं, क्योंकि जब इनके साथ इंटरेक्ट होती हैं ये चीज़ें तो या कोई भी केमिकल, तो वो क्या होते हैं, वो ब्रेक डाउन की तरफ चले जाते हैं, यानी ब्रेकेज का छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों में बंटना शुरू हो जाते हैं। The breakage destruction of rocks due to chemical process is known as chemical weathering. When water interact with the mineral of rocks, a chemical process takes place which is known as hydrolysis. When rainwater enters joints, cracks, and pores of rock, salts, and minerals dissolves in it and form a solution. This solution weakens the rest of the rock and break it into small fragments. Next one is, if any iron nail is kept outside in air for a long time, it results in the rusting of iron nail, which in rust. The nail becomes so weak that it can be broken easily. In the same way, the rocks which contain iron break down by the process of oxidation. कि आपको पता होगा कि जब एक नेल होता है, जो कील जिसको हम बोलते हैं, अगर वो कांटेक्ट में आता है एयर के, तो उसको एक जंग लगना शुरू हो जाता है। हम लोग जब देखते हैं वो रस्टिंग ऑफ द नेल, आयरन का मतलब, उसका मतलब बनेगा रस्टिंग ऑफ आयरन नेल, तो जिसकी वजह से जो इतना कमज़ोर हो जाता है कि इजीली टूट जाता है। इसी तरह से वो रॉक्स जिनके अंदर आयरन होता है, जब वो इस प्रोसेस से गुजरती हैं तो वो टूट फूट का शिकार हो जाती हैं। रॉक्स ऑफ लाइमस्टोन मेनली कंसिस्ट ऑफ कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट। व्हेन वाटर फॉल्स, मूव टू द नेक्स्ट पेज। When water falls on these rocks, its acidity brings a chemical change in calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate change into calcium bicarbonate, which easily dissolves in the water. Water flows and takes away these minerals. This process of chemical weathering is known as carbonation. जी, आपको क्या समझ आई कि यहाँ पे हम बता रहे हैं कि केमिकल चेंजेस होती हैं जब जो रॉक्स हैं बाई कार्बोनेट, जो कार्बोनेट रॉक्स हैं, कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट रॉक्स, जब इनके ऊपर पानी पड़ता है तो वो एक एसिडिटी की वजह से वो बाई कार्बोनेट में चेंज हो जाती हैं और वो टूट फूट का शिकार हो जाती हैं। हम यहाँ तक रीडिंग करेंगे, इसके बाद हम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन करेंगे। Here are the questions. We will do the question, give short answers. Question 1, define denudation. Destruction of Earth's upper surface and the process of appearance of underground surface area onto surface are known as denudation. What is the meaning of weathering? Weathering is a process in which rocks. What is the meaning of weathering? Weathering is a process in which rocks are broken down into small fragments and pieces. Define erosion process. Cutting off the feature of Earth's surface is known as erosion. This process is mostly done by rivers, glaciers, winds, and coastal waves. We will do these three questions. I hope you will do the reading and also do these three questions. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.